One thing that is fun about cooking is being creative and not having to use a recipe, but it also tasting great. Salads are great for experimenting. Every time you make a salad, you can create something new, and it can change with the seasons. Steps to keep in mind when building your salad are 1, your base, 2, the veggies, 3, your protein, 4, the crunchiness, and your optional 5-step of sweetness, and your last step, of course, is the salad dressing. Start with your base of lettuce. Now, different lettuces give different tastes and different levels of crunchiness. I like to use the spring mix, which doesn't have a lot of crunch, so I mix it with romaine for more crunchy taste. Sometimes I add in cilantro, parsley, or mint into my salads for an extra kick. Next step are your veggies. I like to pile on the veggies so I can get most of my daily servings in my salad. I add in roasted Brussels sprouts, green beans, cucumbers, carrots, bell peppers, sauerkraut, whatever I'm feeling like at the time. The next step in your no recipe salad is adding your proteins. Now, your proteins are as limitless as your imagination. You can add in diced chicken, shrimp, beef, or plant-based proteins like edamame. But you can also use black beans or kidney beans or roasted chickpeas. I'm on an edamame kick right now, so I'm adding it to all my salads. I don't always like cheese in my salad, but when I do, I add in feta, goat, or Parmesan. But you can add in cheddar or Gouda, whatever you feel like. I like to add in grains to my salad, and you can add in croutons, but to elevate your salad bite, you can do it with quinoa or ancient grains. Or you can add in seeds like sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds, which give you crunch and protein. I will sometimes add salad to my salad, like tabbouleh or other grains. I always like something crunchy in my salad, so that's the next step in your salad construction. I sometimes feel like I want some sweet bites in my salad, but I know it's not a favorite of many, so it's optional. Dried cranberries, sliced apples, or golden raisins, candy pecans will satisfy that sweet tooth. I mean, by the time I finish with my salad, it's got all the food groups and it's a hearty meal. Finish with a light salad dressing or vinaigrette and you've got a great bite. Many people get intimidated when making a salad dressing, but it's really simple. All you need is vinegar and oil and mustard as a binding agent and some seasonings. I have 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a clove of garlic minced. I add them to a bowl and whisk. While whisking, slowly add in ½ cup of olive oil. Season with dry parsley, thyme, and salt and pepper. And that's it. Now you know that it's not so hard. So you now know the simple steps to build a balanced entree salad and can make your own salad dressing from scratch. You're ready to have people over and you can impress them with your salad making skills. Make the salad dressing in front of them so you can wow them before the very first bite. For more tips and recipes and entertaining ideas, check out my website, biteswithapplewhite.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss an episode.